Hey, welcome to Trading with TK, where we like to take ideas and turn them into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. And I got my first YouTube subscriber today. Trock52, welcome aboard. I hope your time spent on my site helps put some money in your pocket. Today's Friday, March 28th, and the market continues to push down. And because of it, we got a little defensive today. We had some profits, and we weren't going to let them get away from us, so we locked in a lot of profits today. But more on that in our final segment, and also in our winners and losers segment. But first, as always, I got two new ideas again for you today. Plus, I want to go over yesterday's ideas so we can establish our entry point, and then we'll finish up with a short market review. But first, to our two new ideas. First idea is CSUN. And the second idea is AAI. Now in just a moment we'll take a look at their charts and I'll show you how we're going to take these two new ideas and turn them into some money. Now don't go away, I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of CSUN, and this is a call on the long side, and we think we can make a profit of $3 on this trade. We'd like to buy this stock somewhere between $7.40 and $7.30. Don't chase after it. If it opens up, wait for it to come back down again. And we have a target up here of $10.25. That's right off of this high over here. We believe this is a rounded bottom, and it's broken out, and now it's pulled back a little bit to its support. And that little area right there is its support area. So any pullback anywhere near that, that's our entry level. That's where we want to buy it. And even if it dips just a little bit below that, don't hesitate, because we believe this stock is making this big rounded turn. Within a couple of days, it should be back up to our target. So let me recap that for you. That's CSUN. We're looking to buy this, and we think we can make a profit of $3. Our next idea is AAI. This is a call on the long side, and we think we can make a profit of $2.60. We'd like to buy this stock somewhere between $6.40 and $6.30. And we see an ascending triangle. Now when we have a target, our target is $8.90 up here. Now we have another ascending triangle that it's formed, and it's already broken out of it, and now it's pulling back into it. It's giving us an opportunity. There's our triangle. So that's our entry point right in there, at the top of this high, which is around 6.30. Don't chase after this either. Let this, make sure you can get this stock right down in this area here, because the market's weak enough to give you that opportunity. So let me recap that. That's AAI. Is a call on the long side, and we're looking to make a profit of $2.60. Okay, let's take a look at yesterday's idea so we can establish our entry point. The first idea was EXTR, and we bought this today, and we paid $3.20 for it, and we have a target of $4.40. Now I know this looks like a long way off, but I can visualize it getting up there. Now it may go up there, and we may have 2 or 3 trades along the way, but that's fine as long as we keep making money doing it. Now this stock will go into our portfolio, and you'll see it over the weekend, because we review our portfolios over the weekend or when we sell a position. Okay, this was our other idea yesterday, LSCC. We bought the stock today. We paid $2.80 for it. We see this nice ascending triangle here. The reason why these stocks aren't selling off is because they haven't rallied yet. The stocks that are really pulling back are mostly a lot of stocks that have rallied up over the last 2 weeks. Those are the stocks that are giving back. So this will go into our portfolio, and you'll see this over the weekend also. Okay, now let's go to our winners and our losers, because we did close out 5 positions. I want to show those to you. Most of these were sold because of conditions of the market. We're not going to give back any profits we have. Okay, this is Apple. We bought this stock at 125 on the 17th of March. If you remember, I sold half the position day before yesterday at a 144, and I sold the other half this morning at 142. So this half is about a 13% profit. The first half we sold was a 16% profit. So that's not bad trading. We don't want to give back this profit. Now, if this stock should come back, actually, I want the stock now to come back down to 130 because this is an area where we're going to be interested in it again. Next stock we sold, SUNS. We bought this on the 25th of March at $3.40, and I sold it today at $3.40. So that's a push. I sold it at a defense. I don't like the way it's rolling over, and so I just didn't want the risk. Next stock, LTXX. We bought this stock on the 24th of the month. We paid $2.85. We sold it today at $3.25. We locked in a 14% profit in 5 trading days. Next position we sold was CEGE. We bought this on the 20th of the month. We bought it at $2.10 and sold it today at $2.53. We locked in a 20% profit in 6 trading days. And the last position that we sold was CSUN, CPST. We bought this on the 17th of March at $1.80 and sold it today at $2.25 and made a 25% profit. Now, I'll be honest with you, most of these positions probably wouldn't have been sold if the market wasn't so sloppy and weak. But I don't want to give back the profits, so that's why we locked them in. A little bit of a defense. Okay, let's take a look at the major indexes to see if we can't figure out where this selling is going to stop. We're going to look at the Dow. Okay, so this is very symmetrical. This is not a good looking pattern. It started out as what I thought would be a backing and filling of 2 or 3 days. Is taking on an uglier look. Let me call it that. It's not a good look. First, I thought maybe we would hold up in here, somewhere in here, but I don't want to let go of that idea. But I want to be realistic also. This pattern here that looks like wants to run a little bit further on the downside. When a rally develops, we'll spot it. But it just hasn't developed yet, so that's why we're defensive. Maybe it has to retest the low down here again. I'm not really sure. Like I said, I can spot a rally when it develops, but there's no rally in sight right now. So we're just gonna have to wait till the rally develops. Take a look at the transportation average. Same sort of picture. This is a stronger looking chart. Our first thoughts were it would hold up in here. That may still happen, but this is he's pushing this one day after another on the downside. It's not a good look, so we need to protect ourselves. QQQQs. Now they've gotten to where we thought they would go, but now what we have to do is we've got to get a rally going there. Just because they're there, I don't see a sign of a rally. We need a reversal date to the upside, or we need some kind of formation that might look like this formation, only turn it around. So until we see that some sort of bullish looking formation, we need to stay a little bit defensive. I still believe that the lows of the market are in, and I think worst case scenario is that it'll test these lows again before we start back up again. It's hard to tell what the market exactly is going to do. Okay, so that's my view. A little defensive. I want you to come down to my site, www.tradingwithtk.com, and over the weekend I'll do a review of our current position sometime on Saturday, so you may want to check that out. Okay, so until Monday, until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.